Look what I bought, Kevin.
What a piece of scrap. What have you bought that for? What the fuck have you bought?
Buell, XB9.
Oh. You told me you were going to buy a Ducati.
Why would I buy one of them pieces of shit?
Let's buy some of me. What is it?
It's a motorbike. It's little, you'd fit on it.
I don't like it.
I don't like you.
What are we doing to it? What's this?
Yeah.
What's this?
Been wrapped really, really badly. Don't know who's done it, but they want their hands dropping off. Peel the wrap off, see what's underneath. Like Christmas.
It's not like Christmas. Christmas you get stuff you want.
What is your name?
Look, this is what it's like. That's how it was. Pick up all the bad bits that we're picking out.
Looks right underneath. I'm not going to polish up and we're done.
That's not how we do things with Venom.
No, that isn't how we do things at Venom.
What's your favourite colour?
Let's chop the roof down.
Ain't got roof.
What's your favourite colour?
I do believe it's an XB9. Aww. Aww. That's not bad under there actually.
Polish it up.
Oh, it's not sticky. Because we've got to get some more paint in the workshop. Unfortunately, we've got to pull them out here, let them dry in the sun, so we can carry on painting.
So these are for the Buell bike,
Yes,
which was the one which was covered in
wrap.
wrap.
Horrible.
That bit back underneath that one.
Can't, there's a camera in the way. Oh, that'll do.
I know what I'll do. I'll paint things absolutely amazing. And then the bits that Kelly wants to paint, I'm just going to go and put on top of a sheet that's got loads of wet paint and lacquer on it.